He finna snitch, bro. What you mean? He raised his hand like, officer, it's me. It's me. It was me.
What the fuck
Hell
is going
no.
on?
The only thing I'm gonna say is he had ankle monitor on when we was at the filming. Whatever happened to it, we don't know. We was at our filming and stuff like that. So whatever Home did with the ankle monitor, we don't know.
My nigga, I would be dead ass pissed off if I was that police officer and this nigga just said a bunch of bullshit. Nigga, what the fuck did you just say in that sentence, my nigga? Go back in line. Go back in line. You did not help me with any of this shit, bro. You did not help me. We was on and whatever. We was on. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah, I appreciate that useless information, my dog. Go back in line, nigga. Holy shit, bro. Go back in line before I hit you with this baton, bro. Damn, pissing me off. Like, I feel like a nigga would be playing with me if I was him. Cause like